Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix for a super common Audacity problem. Are you getting an error while trying to import a video file into Audacity? If you want to extract audio directly from a video, you will need a specific file. Today we will see how to solve this problem, so let's get started. First, open Audacity, and if you try to open an MP4 file, you will see a pop-up error. It says that to open this file, you need the FFmpeg library, and to fix this, go to the Edit option from the top menu. Then click on Preferences from the bottom. Select the Libraries option from the list on the left. Now click on the Download button next to the FFmpeg library on the right. A new page will open in your computer's default browser. Scroll down a bit on this page and click on the Installing FFmpeg link. Then click on the first link under the recommended installer. Now on the page that appears, scroll down a bit. Here you will see a section called FFmpeg installer for Audacity. If your Windows is 64-bit, click on the first option, which is the .exe file next to the 64-bit Windows text, and download it. The download is complete, open the file, accept the license agreement and click on the next button. Then install the file in the default location. When the installation is finished, click the finish button to exit. Now go back to Audacity. Just like before, go to Edit, then Preferences, and open the Libraries option. This time click on the Locate button instead of Download. You will see that Audacity has automatically found the new file. Click on the OK button here to save the setting. Our work is done. Now let's try opening the file again. Go to File, then Open, and select the previous video file. Look, the audio track of the video has been perfectly imported into Audacity without any errors. This is how you can easily solve this problem. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.